Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please subscribe, like, comment and share our videos. Banish that stale smoke smell from your car. Effective tips and tricks when it comes to the comfort and enjoyment of your driving experience. Dealing with lingering smoke smells in your car can be a real nuisance. Beyond just the unpleasant odor, these smells can also hurt your car's resale value. Ensuring that your car interior is free from smoke odors is essential to restoring a fresh and clean environment. Eliminating smoke smells from your car requires a targeted approach to effectively remove the ingrained odors. Whether you're a non-smoker who purchased a used car with residual smoke smells or a former smoker looking to get rid of the scent, understanding how to tackle this issue head-on is key to enjoying a pleasant driving atmosphere. In this video, we will explore practical and efficient methods to remove smoke smells from a car and restore a welcoming environment for you and your passengers. Stay tuned to discover actionable tips and tricks to say goodbye to unwanted smoke odors and hello to a fresh and rejuvenated car interior. Understanding smoke odors in cars. Smoke odors in cars can be stubborn and pervasive, often posing a challenge to drivers seeking a fresh-smelling interior. Understanding the different types of smoke odors that can linger in vehicles and the reasons behind their persistence can shed light on effective deodorizing strategies. Types of smoke odors. When it comes to smoke odors in cars, various sources can leave behind distinctive smells. Cigarette smoke is one of the most common culprits, known for its tenacious nature and ability to impregnate upholstery, carpets and other surfaces. Cannabis smoke, with its potent and distinct scent, can also permeate car interiors, requiring thorough cleaning to eliminate it. Additionally, burnt food smells can linger and mix with other odors, creating a complex olfactory challenge. Each type of smoke odor presents its own set of difficulties in removal, requiring targeted approaches for effective deodorization. Causes of lingering smoke smells. Several factors contribute to the lingering nature of smoke smells in cars. Porous materials commonly found in car interiors, such as fabric upholstery and carpeting, can absorb smoke particles, holding the scent long after the source has been removed. Ventilation systems within vehicles can recirculate smoke particles, spreading the odor throughout the car's interior and making it challenging to eradicate. The duration of exposure to smoke also plays a role, as prolonged contact can embed the odor into various surfaces, necessitating deep cleaning and deodorizing efforts to restore freshness to the car. By understanding the types of smoke odors that can persist in cars and the underlying reasons for their longevity, car owners can take proactive steps to address and eliminate unwanted smells, restoring a pleasant driving experience. Methods for removing smoke smells. Removing smoke smells from a car can be a challenging task, but there are various methods you can use to effectively eliminate these odors. Here are some options to consider. Natural remedies. One effective way to combat smoke odors is by using natural remedies. Baking soda, activated charcoal, vinegar and citrus peels are known for their odor-neutralizing properties. Baking soda, for instance, works by absorbing and neutralizing odors rather than just masking them. Activated charcoal acts as a powerful purifier by absorbing odors and pollutants. Vinegar is highly acidic and can break down the compounds that cause smoke smells. Citrus peels release essential oils that can help freshen the air inside your vehicle. Professional detailing services. For a more thorough approach, seeking professional detailing services can be highly beneficial. Professionals have access to specialized techniques and products that can effectively remove smoke odors. Techniques such as steam cleaning can penetrate fabrics and carpets to eliminate trapped odors. Ozone treatment is another method where ozone generators are used to break down odors at the molecular level. Specialized products designed for smoke odor removal can target stubborn smells and leave your car smelling fresh and clean. DIY cleaning techniques. If you prefer a hands-on approach, there are DIY cleaning techniques you can try at home to remove smoke smells from your car. Deep cleaning carpets, upholstery and air vents can help eliminate trapped odors. Use a mixture of mild detergent and water to scrub surfaces thoroughly. Odor-neutralizing sprays can be used to freshen up fabrics and carpets. Consider using an air purifier to improve air quality and reduce lingering odors. Regular maintenance and cleaning routines can help prevent smoke smells from reoccurring in your vehicle. Preventive measures to avoid smoke odors. Establishing smoke-free habits. Suggest ways to prevent smoke odors from building up in cars. Enforce smoke-free rules within the vehicle to discourage smoking. Regularly use air fresheners to mask any lingering smoke odors. Implement a consistent cleaning routine to keep the interior fresh and smoke-free. Proper ventilation practices. Understand the importance of proper ventilation to reduce smoke odors. Keep windows cracked or open slightly to allow fresh air circulation. Utilize air circulation systems in the vehicle to maintain a more breathable environment. Avoid smoking inside the vehicle to prevent smoke particles from settling and causing persistent odors. Final thoughts on smoke smell removal in cars. It's essential to take proactive steps to address smoke odors in cars promptly. Not only does a fresh-smelling car contribute to a more pleasant driving experience, but it also plays a crucial role in maintaining the resale value of your vehicle. Here are some final thoughts to consider for effective smoke smell removal in cars. Regular cleaning and maintenance. Regular cleaning is key to keeping your car smelling fresh. Vacuuming carpets and upholstery and using interior cleaners to wipe down surfaces can help eliminate lingering smoke odors. Don't forget to clean air vents and replace cabin air filters to ensure the air circulating in your car is clean and odor-free. Odor elimination techniques. Utilize natural odor absorbers like baking soda, charcoal bags, or coffee grounds to neutralize smoke smells. These cost-effective solutions can be placed strategically in your car to absorb odors over time effectively. Additionally, using air fresheners or odor-eliminating sprays can quickly fix immediate freshness. Professional detailing services. For persistent smoke odors that seem challenging to remove, consider seeking professional detailing services. Professional detailers have specialized equipment and products to tackle tough odors effectively. They can deep clean your car's interior and treat specific areas to eliminate smoke smells efficiently. Consistent air circulation. Proper ventilation is essential in preventing smoke odors from lingering in your car. Roll down the windows when driving to allow fresh air to circulate and push out stale odors. Using a car air purifier can also help maintain clean air quality inside your vehicle. Prevention is key. To avoid dealing with stubborn smoke odors in the future, it's best to establish smoke-free habits in your car. Avoid smoking inside your vehicle and encourage passengers to do the same. By preventing smoke odors from permeating your car, you can save time and effort in combating unpleasant smells down the road. Taking a proactive approach to smoke smell removal in cars not only enhances your driving experience, but also contributes to the overall upkeep and value of your vehicle. By incorporating these tips into your car care routine, you can enjoy a clean and fresh-smelling car every time you hit the road. Thank you for joining us on this journey to banish smoke smells from your car. We've covered a range of effective tips and tricks to help you reclaim freshness and eliminate unwanted odors from your vehicle's interior. By incorporating these strategies into your cleaning routine and maintaining good habits, you can enjoy a clean and odor-free driving experience. Remember, persistence and patience are key when tackling stubborn smells. With dedication and the right approach, you can transform your car into a fresh and inviting space. Happy driving. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.